This is Derek Steinbacher, and today we're going to talk about this young baby boy with a right unilateral complete cleft lip and palate. So you can see here the displacement of the right lateral segment. You can see the alveolus. The medial element is far over to his left. There's a slump and a displacement of the ala in the nose. And here he is now at about 6 months of age following a lip adhesion. There's vertical limbs at the philtral column on the medial and lateral elements, a back cut on the medial element just at that shadow above the white roll. The triangle will inset to this vicinity. There's a Nordhoff triangle, vermilion triangle that will inset into the vermilion mucosal junction, and the white roll is aligned, as well as points along the sill and the columnar base. Result, as well as the 1-year follow-up result, showing nice alignment, fading scar. And here are some other examples using the same technique. So I feel that optimization, of course, is in the design and execution, but some of the adjuncts, including Botox and fat grafting and scar care, will really give you an excellent result. Thanks for your attention. Have a nice day.
So thanks for listening. If you have any other questions, please check us out on our website, www.dereksteinbacher.com. Thanks again.